Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I am almost at 700 subscribers. You guys scrub subs, huh? Yeah? Okay. I am really excited to be here today. I'm very excited to have you. Since I've uploaded my last video, my following grew by about 200. And I'm very, very thankful that you are here. So without further ado, today I will be filming a get ready with me and this plant. So it's quite hot up here. I am sweating, and so I will be opening a window. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and whatever else you might want to be in touch with me on. Okay, I'm growing here. You don't want to miss out on anything. You don't want to miss out on my acne journey, do you? No. Fuck no, bro. Fuck no, bro. Fuck no. I can swear if I want to. Fuck. Okay, today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me acne coverage style. So without further ado, make sure you like this video, subscribe if you wish, follow me. I've had like the same amount of Instagram followers since like 10th grade, so come on, I'm like almost 22. Let's get it fucking poppin' over there. I hope you enjoy this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Give me a comment. So I'm gonna first be starting out using the Bioderma Anti-Redness Care. Next, I will be using what I have left of my Glossier Future Dew serum. So I take about 2 pumps. Technically, this is a no foundation full coverage look. However, it's like I'm using a CC cream, but it is not. It is definitely fuller coverage than some foundations that I've used. But I'm just gonna be quickly spot concealing some more red blemish areas and blending that in with my finger. Then I will be using the IT Cosmetics CC cream to cover my entire face. I will be mixing the shade Light and the shade Fair. And I will be buffing this out with a foundation brush. Okay, so this is what the first layer looks like. And I think for now, like, that's gonna be fine. That's fine for me. I am just gonna add a little bit of coverage on the areas that I feel like I really need it. I just mixed, sorry. I just mixed 2 concealer shades. The Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and put that on my under eyes. really quickly for brows, I'll be running through my eyebrows with some Glossier Boy Brow. I'm gonna take a cream highlighter from Chanel and put it on the high points of my cheekbones as well as underneath my brow. And then I'm gonna use the Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Puff, and I'll place this on the outer half of my cheeks. Really lightly, I'm just going to line my upper lash line with like a brown eyeshadow eyeliner pencil. Something that's easy to blend out with your fingers once you've already applied it. This one is Chanel. So really messily, I just do a little wing and then I blend it out with my ring finger and my pinky finger. And that way it just creates a little bit of definition for my eye without being too intense. And then just smudge it to make it look more natural. Then I take the Benefit Roller Lash mascara and apply one coat of this to my upper lash line. And as you can see, just like putting that little bit of eyeliner on really does make a big difference. Once you put the mascara on top of it, it just gives your eyes a little bit more of like a doll-like effect. Do you know what I mean? I've been really into it just like on the day-to-day. It's super easy. I really do swear by the Benefit Roller Lash. Like I do not curl my eyelashes. I have not curled my eyelashes since like 7th grade. Last but not least, I go in with any lip balm. This one is the Malin & Gott's Mojito Lip Balm. I got it in my Ipsy bag. And that is my get ready with me. I'm gonna fix my hair and send you on your way. So that was it for this get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm super sorry. It was actually, I'm not sorry about anything. I have to stop apologizing. That's a woman thing. Gotta work on that. It was very short and easy, but I just wanted to film another video for all of my new subscribers. I'm really, really thankful that you're here and that you chose to click on this here little get ready with me makeup therapy type vibe. This is how I've been doing my makeup every day. It's really easy, really short, just a little bit of, you know, concealer, CC cream, that kind of thing. It works for me. It looks great on video calls, just that little dewy, natural. It's not too much, but you look good. So yeah, let me know if you like this video, and I'll burp in your face if you want it. Sorry, my hair, no, I'm not sorry, but my hair looks a mess. I'm just gonna point it out. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe, comment, and like, and I will see you guys in my next video.